Decoding this medicinal plant, its properties, its family, usage requires careful consideration based on individual health conditions. Found in diverse regions, often thriving in specific soils. Commonly used parts include leaves, roots, stems, or fruits. Contains important active chemical compounds for efficacy. Key characteristic: active components provide unique benefits. Main mechanism of action: targets specific bodily functions. Its most prominent benefit: supports overall well-being naturally. Practical applications range from teas to topical remedies. Ideal for those seeking natural support for vitality. Avoid if pregnant, breastfeeding, or with specific health issues. Save this Decoded herbal wisdom. Use it wisely. Always.